Welcome to TippyPop World. Are you ready to play the Mystery Box Challenge? Let's guess what's inside. Look at our big, bright box. What is hiding inside? Let's guess. Here's a clue. It is round and sweet. What could it be? Let's wait and see. It is a red apple. Can you say apple? Apple. That is right. Sweet red apples grow on trees. Wonderful job. Let's look inside again. What is the next surprise? This friend has 4 legs and says, "Woof." Let's guess. It is a brown dog. Can you say dog? Dog. Dogs say woof, and they can be our very best friends. Yay! Now let's stand up and move. Shake your arms. Shake, shake, shake. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, clap. Now take a big breath and sit back down. We are ready to play some more. What is hiding in our big box now? Here is a clue. It goes vroom, vroom, beep, beep. What do you think it is? Let's wait and see. It is a blue car. Can you say car? Car. That is right, a blue car. Cars drive on roads, and they come in many different colors. Car! Now let's look inside again. What is the next surprise? This one is way up high in the dark sky, and it shines so bright. What could it be? Let's guess. It is a yellow star. Can you say star? Star. Excellent. Stars twinkle far away in the deep night sky. Star, you are doing wonderful. Let's stand up for another quick dance. Shake your shoulders. Shake, shake, shake. Now jump up high. 1, 2, 3, jump. That was so much fun. Let's sit back down. We have more surprises to find. Look at our big box again. What is hiding inside now? Let's guess. It has beautiful wings and flutters all around. What could it be? Let's wait and see. It is a purple butterfly. Can you say butterfly? Butterfly. That is right. Butterflies have pretty wings and can fly high in the sky. Fantastic job. Now let's look once more. What is our next surprise? Here is a clue. It goes choo-choo. What do you think it is? Let's find out. It is a red train. Can you say train? Train. Great. Red trains ride on tracks and take people to faraway places. Choo-choo! You are doing so well. Let's stand up and move. Wave your hands. Wave, wave, wave. Now spin around. Spin, spin, spin. That was amazing. Let's sit back down for more fun. What is hiding in our big box now? This friend is golden and has a big fluffy mane. Let's guess. It is a golden or tan lion. Can you say lion? Lion. Great. A lion is a big cat with a big fluffy mane. Roar. You did it. Now what is our very last surprise? It is bright, beautiful, and up in the sky after the rain. What could it be? Let's wait and see. It is a multicolored rainbow. Can you say rainbow? Rainbow. Wonderful. Rainbows show lots of colors after rain when the sun shines bright. Yay! We found all the surprises. You did a fantastic job guessing them all. Let's stretch our arms way up high. Reach, reach, reach. Now take a big slow breath and blow it out. Perfect. You are ready? Next, we get to play a super fun memory game to see what you remember about all of our wonderful new friends. Let's begin. Here is our first friend. Do you know what this is? Let's say it together. It's the apple. Who is next? Do you know what this is? Let's say it together. It's the dog. And this one? Do you know what this is? Let's say it together. It's the car. Look at this. Do you know what this is? Let's say it together. It's the star. What about this friend? Do you know what this is? Let's say it together. It's the butterfly. Can you name this? Do you know what this is? Let's say it together. It's the train. And this big friend. Do you know what this is? Let's say it together. It's the lion. Last one. Do you know what this is? Let's say it together. It's the rainbow. You did an amazing job remembering all of our wonderful new friends today. Thank you so much for playing along. You are a superstar helper, and we are so proud of you. Subscribe to our channel for more fun learning adventures. You did an amazing job guessing today. Thank you so much for playing with us. Subscribe for more fun surprises.